Bloody Sunday families have expressed their anger and frustration over the decision by the Public Prosecution Service not to prosecute 16 people over perjury allegations in the Savile inquiry.
The PPS considered the cases of 15 former soldiers and a former alleged member of the official IRA. They decided there was no reasonable prospect of securing convictions. Relatives of the victims have vowed to continue their campaign for justice, as Sarah O'Kane reports.
We consider that today's ruling by the PPS is an affront to the rule of law and a continuation of the injustice that was perpetrated on Bloody Sunday.
Years of hope gone in a moment. Today, the Public Prosecution Service revealed 15 former soldiers and one former alleged member of the IRA will not be charged with perjury over allegations the evidence they gave to the Savile inquiry was false. John Kelly was there when his 17-year-old brother Michael was shot on the 30th of January in 1972.
Until we got the document in our hand, there was a little bit of hope up until that point. And then you look and you're disappointed, really disappointed. I was there on Bloody Sunday. I witnessed the day. And I was with Michael after he was shot. I helped to carry him. I helped to place him in the ambulance, take him to the hospital, and the mortuary afterwards, and I still live it every day of the week.
13 people died that day when the Parachute Regiment opened fire during a civil rights march. In 2010, the Savile report ruled those killed or injured were innocent and posed no threat. For 5 decades, the families have continued to fight for justice. The Public Prosecution Service said they carefully considered all of the evidence in the police investigation file and the contents of a report on the Bloody Sunday inquiry, but determined the available evidence is insufficient to provide any reasonable prospects of a conviction in the cases.
Make no mistake about it, we will be seeking an expedited review so we can lodge our papers and challenge this decision by way of judicial review in the High Court in Belfast so our own domestic judges can look at this urgently. The Lexi Act comes into full effect on the 1st of May. The families feel that this has been deliberately run down until the full enaction of the Act.
DUP MP Gregory Campbell has said the decision is no surprise given the passage of time. The SDLP and Sinn Féin think today is deeply disappointing and another blow for the families. One person, known as Soldier F, who is also accused of lying to the inquiry, is set to stand trial, charged with the murder of James Ray and William McKinney and the attempted murder of 5 other men.
We set out in a course of action, and that was to prove the innocence of our loved ones and also to seek justice for them. And as far as we're concerned, we're not at the end yet. We're not there yet.
John Kelly ending that report from Sarah O'Kane.